The last question of the exercise, we have to fill in the missing digits. How to fill the missing digits in the minus question? There is a rule, I'll tell you. Whenever we have to find the digit in the minuend place, this is your minuend place now. For minuend place, just keep in mind, add the subtractand and the difference. 4 plus 2 is 6 now. It will come here 6. Okay. Then here we have to find the subtractand. Whenever we have to find the subtractand, the rule is subtract the minuend and the difference. 3 minus 2 is 1. For finding the subtractand, what we have to do? Minuend and the difference we will subtract. And for finding the difference, we all know we will do the subtraction only. Is it clear? So the 3 rules we have to follow, and those 3 rules are to find the minuend. This is your minuend place, keep in mind. Minuend we have to find means adding the difference and subtracting. So 2 plus 0 will be 2 itself. And to find the subtractand, we will subtract the minuend and difference, that is 2 here. Clear? This is how we fill the boxes in subtraction by following the 3 given rules. You can see here I have noted down the 3 rules. For minuend, what we have to do? Subtractand and difference we have to add. Finding the subtractand, what we have to do? We have to subtract the minuend and difference. Difference also we have to subtract. Only for minuend we will do the addition. Rest of the 2 when we have to find, we will do subtraction. This simple rule we have to follow. Okay. Now we will do question number 2. What we have to find here, first of all, subtractand. And rule for finding subtractand is to subtract minuend and difference. So 1 minus 0 is 1 itself. So we'll write here 1. Got it now? Now, for finding the minuend, what is the rule for finding the minuend? We have to add the subtractand and the difference. Minuend when we have to find, add the subtractand and difference. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And for finding the difference, minus only. Then again we have to find the minuend. The rule for finding minuend is adding the difference and the subtractand, that is 5. And for this subtractand we have to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then again minuend, we have to add this, we will get here 6. Simple. Just going by the rules we can fill in the given boxes. Okay. Then question number C we will solve now. Pay attention carefully. We have to find here difference. For finding difference, we have to subtract minuend and subtractand. Now if we see here, minuend is smaller than the subtractand. Whenever minuend is smaller, what we have to do? Borrowing 1 from the other side. So 0 is unable to provide 1. 0 will borrow from here. Then it will become here 13. 13 minus 6 is what? 7. Then again 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus, what we have to find here? Subtractand. So for subtractand we have to subtract the minuend and the difference. From 3 can we subtract 8? From 3 we cannot subtract 8. Now what we have to do again? Making it 5 and this one 13. From 13 we can subtract 8. It will come here 5. Then 5 minus 8 again not possible. 15 minus 8 will be 7. And then 6 minus 3 is 3. Then D we will solve. 4 minus, first of all we have to find the subtractand. For finding the subtractand, minuend and difference we have to subtract. 4 minus 7 not possible. We'll make it 14. 14 minus 7 is 7 only. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. Now again 0 minus 4 not possible, right? It will become here 4. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 4 minus what we will do to get 0? That is 4 itself. Then 1 minus 6 not possible. 11 minus 6 will be 5. 8 minus 3 again will be 5. That's how we completed our missing digits solution.